way. Good morning, fam dam. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing amazing, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this episode. So this is going to be quite an incredible trip. I'm going to be staying at Tamboti, which is near Auckland, in the middle of Kruger National Park for 2 nights, and I'm going to try and get as much content out as I can. My focus will be on informative, educative, like tips, 5 tips, 10 tips, things just helping you to better enjoy your experience, not only in the Kruger but in any natural environment that you go to. So yeah, currently we are at Bobbejans Krans, which is a viewpoint close to Auckland, in between Auckland and Satara. The best advice I can offer you is always buy a map. A map is very important. Number 2, be very aware of your surroundings when you get to certain areas. Number 3, litter. Litter is huge, guys. We've been seeing it this morning. 2 packs of wild dogs, one with a brown paper bag, one chewing a tin. It's just scary. We are not meant to be in this environment. Firstly, we're just guests here, visitors. This is their home. So let's treat it that way. It's a special place for them, and then we should make it a special place for us as well. What else would there be? Don't stick your limbs out the vehicle. I hope this is not overexposed. Don't stick your arms and your head and your legs and all that stuff out of the vehicle. The animals do not know that you're in the vehicle. They look at the vehicle. They're happy with that. That's what they see. Places like Greater Kruger, where the vehicles are a little bit more open, they're used to seeing people more, like people on the tracker seat. There's no doors in some of the vehicles. There's no roofs. But in Kruger, they are not used to this. In most other reserves, Pilansberg, Addo, Kalahari, any of these reserves, they are not used to people just popping out of nowhere. So yeah, don't do that, because it will give them a very big surprise, and animals react very instinctively, so it's either fight or flight. But the last one, what would be the last one? Focus on the small things. Focus on the small things. The big things will come. There's no point in trying to worry yourself about finding leopard and lion and buffalo and rhino and all that crazy stuff. It will come. Just enjoy it all. Enjoy the birds, enjoy the trees, enjoy all that good stuff.